Hi, I'm Dr. Allison Coffin. I teach busy moms easy, doable ways to meditate so you can gain peace in your day and really become a happier mom. Today, I would like to talk about the WIN method. I'll explain that later in the video. I have been practicing meditation for over 15 years. I've studied it for that amount of time, and I've been coaching it for a long time as well. So this method I was taught to by a homeopath that I'd like to share with you. So, excuse me, the WIN method is W-I-N. So the W stands for whatever, the I stands for I, and the N stands for need. So whatever I need. It's called a WIN day. So in our families, we can incorporate that if things are getting a little crazy, if we're feeling like we have too much going on and we're just ships passing in the night. You can also use it as a preventative measure, maybe schedule it for once a month or once a quarter. So a WIN day is whatever I need, and you're allowed to take those too. So you can be like, taking a mom WIN day. So a WIN day is whatever it looks like for you. WIN day could be going for a walk outside for 2 hours. I'm going for a hike. I'm going to the spa. I am going to read this book all day. Whatever it looks like for you that makes you happy. My WIN day is we're all spending the day together. We're gonna go to this waterfall. We're all going to do XYZ together. That's a WIN day. And everybody gets to take one. So the kids get to take one, the partner gets to take one, and you get to take one. The other people that are part of your life, they get to take one. So try to incorporate a WIN day into your life. So the whatever I need day, and see if it makes a change for you. If it does, or if you do try to do this, comment on this video or reply back and let me know how it went. You can also click the link below to get a free meditation for you to use anytime, which is a win because it's a 5-minute, just drop a piece in your bucket. Remember that the peace and calm that you create today creates a generation of peaceful people, and this tool you can use to elevate the peace in your life.